All right, this is where we're at now. So we have the shifter cables to change. Got me some OEMs shifter cables, put back in. That just put in the master, the brake master cylinder. Just put that in just now. Should have recorded it, but hey, didn't want to bore you with the boring stuff. Yeah, Jack Spanning Racing. That's what I'm running, guys. Jack Spanning Racing. Yeah. The next video you'll see me finishing up shifter cables, bleeding the brakes. Finally put it on the valve cover for real this time, guys. You can see there is no. Yep. Pour some oil in there, and the wiring, guys, that is in the making right now as we speak. Let me put them pictures in right now. Injectors are here, finally. Yep.
Okay, now let's move on over to the interior. Here we have a CL7 Momo steering wheel. I switched out the airbag to a Acura RSX airbag. I know the interior is not looking the best right now. I can see my clutch pedal is down. I haven't bled the clutch as yet, and I also have to clean up this whole entire area. All those wires should not be seen. Yes, all of that is not going to be there in the end. Now let's move over to my seats. I got these carbon fiber brides seats off Alibaba. I know the lighting is not giving it any justice right now, but if you see those centerpiece, that's pretty much the same color as the whole entire seats. Yeah. For braking, I went with the Acura TL Type S Brembos. As you can see, everything is fitted up. Now it's time to take it down and beautify.
Nice. What's good, people? While I've been here closing out another video, do remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like these. I'm challenging myself with the Acura TSX to be different, not trying to look like I'm just trying to be totally different right across the board, challenging myself with this build. However, I'm having a few little hiccups, but I'm pulling through. Nevertheless, I'm this far now, so that's great. I hope you like what is going on with this build. Do remember to leave a comment, share your thoughts. Let me know what's going on. Let me know what you would have done different. Nevertheless, let's go. Until next time, while I'm Daine checking out, let's go.